Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on August 29th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $3.7. We pretty much hit again the range of support, and my main assumption was that in order to see the breakout above the range, this sloping line, this range of resistance, we have to see an increase in volume during this breakout, retest this sloping line as the range of support, and we have to see a movement to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. Let me show you this movement in details. We were at this point, and as you can see, right after I made my previous video, we had this movement to the upside. We broke this sloping line as the range of resistance, pretty much retested it from the top. Let me update this movement, this forecast. And for now, we are approaching to break this previous swing high. If it happens, we will see the real breakout above the range of resistance, and this might have a trend continuation. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again on its price action. I have to say that this movement to the upside, let me delete unnecessary tool. This movement to the upside and the breakout above this range of resistance happened without substantial volume. As you can see, it happened in pre-market hours, and I have to say that it is quite concerning part of this breakout. But in just several minutes in my technical analysis, I will show you what potential trade we might see, potential long trade we might take for NIO in upcoming week. So, and let's take a look on its fundamentals. I have to admit that let's start with this news. NIO adds 40 swap stations on August, 35 of them 4th generation. And I have to say that, as you can see, for the beginning of this year, they wasn't so active in terms of their swap stations. But for now, in August, they are starting to ramping up their installation as well. And guys, to be honest, this is a very long-term catalyst for NIO. It cannot be the short-term trigger for NIO to go higher. We have to rely on other news. And what other news we might anticipate? Guys, take a look right here. They will publish their earnings report on September the 5th. We have less than 24 hours till it happens. As you can see, it will happen before market open. And I have to say that in general, their results will be quite decent, but the most promising part is their forecast. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is the insurance, China EV insurance registrations for week ending September the 1st. And NIO has quite good numbers. They made 6,000 registrations. On top of that, guys, if you take a look right here, on NIO deliveries for August, NIO delivers 20,176 vehicles in August, above 20,000 mark for 4th consecutive month. And guys, in my previous videos, I told you that in order to see a huge breakout and huge breakthrough in their share price, NIO has to deliver more than 20,000 vehicles monthly for the Q3 of this year. And for now, we have basically, as you can see, we have 4 consecutive months that is above this threshold of 20,000 vehicles. 2 of them are from the Q3 and 2 of them are from the Q2. And this is the first month, April of Q2, where they delivered slightly above 15,000 vehicles. This means, guys, in order to stay in line with their uptrend of monthly deliveries, they have to deliver on September more than 15,000 vehicles. And the more this number is, and it is pretty obvious, the higher the projection and the higher the forecast will be from the C-levels executives. And guys, this means in the upcoming event, in the upcoming earnings call for NIO, we might see a huge update in terms of their forecast. And this means if the gross margin for their vehicles is improved, in this case, the movement to the upside and the trend continuation might continue. But for now, take a look right here. I have to say that the consensus analyst price target according to marketbeat.com is 6.9. It is not so high, especially if you compare it with its previous price points that this asset hit back in 2021 and 2022, highly above $40 mark. But in general, it implies about 66% of upside potential. On top of that, if you take a look on the analyst ratings from TipRanks, you can see that among 9 ratings, 4 of analysts suggest to buy, 4 to hold, and only 1 to sell. And the consensus analyst price target is relatively similar to this price target at about $6.39. And I have to say that, yes, this asset might hit it with a good forecast on their earnings report within next couple of months. And guys, let's take a look again on the institutional ownership of this company. And unfortunately, we still have the lowest level of institutional ownership that NIO ever had. And I have to admit that I don't see a clear picture of the trend reversal from downtrend to uptrend. But yes, in some cases we might see a cautious buys. But guys, keep in mind that this information has a delay of at least 45 days, because these filing dates show only the filing date, and the real deal happened at least 45 days prior this date, and you have to keep this in mind. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, the most concerning part of this breakout, as I already mentioned, is the volume. In my opinion, it wasn't sufficient during this breakout, during the breakout itself. But for now, we are still quite bullish. And if you want to add to your long position, or if you want to open your completely new long position, you can do it with the stop loss slightly below $3.67. And as usual, I suggest you to accumulate your position all the way down, because it will reduce your risks because of the closer point of the stop loss order, and it will improve your upside potential. And guys, if this asset goes higher, it has to break its previous swing highs, and in my opinion, it might hit about $6 mark within next 4 to 6 weeks. But you have to keep in mind that their earnings report might be extremely promising in terms of deliveries for upcoming quarters for Q3 and Q4, and in terms of their current gross margin. That is why keep this news in mind, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna